If you want to uninstall Crunchyroll because you want to reinstall it or because it's taking too much space, then watch this tutorial to learn how to uninstall Crunchyroll in a quick and easy way. First, open the Start menu. Open your settings. Open Apps. Open the Apps and Features section. Locate Crunchyroll. Click on the little dots to open the Crunchyroll app options. Click on Advanced Options. Crunchyroll is still not working. You could try to reinstall it. First, press Uninstall. Crunchyroll and its related data will be uninstalled. Press Uninstall again. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.